Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie at home for weight loss, full guide. Start by choosing a protein base, fiber-rich vegetables, a low-sugar fruit, and healthy fats for balance. Measure portions to control calories, use water or unsweetened milk to thin, and avoid added sugars. Blend just until smooth to preserve texture. Taste and adjust with spices like cinnamon or vanilla for extra satisfaction and enjoy. Choose ingredients that support satiety and low calories. Include a protein source like Greek yogurt or protein powder, fiber from leafy greens and chia, and healthy fats like nut butter or avocado. Aim for portions such as 1 cup fruit, 1 cup greens, 1 scoop protein, and 1 tablespoon fats. Use liquids sparingly and track calories if needed to stay within weight loss goals. Adjust portions based on activity level and gender. Prep ingredients in advance to save time and maintain consistency. Wash and chop produce, portion into freezer bags, and label with dates for up to 3 months. Freeze bananas and berries to improve texture without ice dilution. Keep a simple rotation of recipes to avoid boredom and log results to tweak sweetness or calories over time. Use a small scale for accuracy. Try adding cinnamon or ginger for flavor daily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.